Do you know this tiny thing? Yes, it's the USB drive that replaced CDs and DVDs. The USB flash drive was invented in 1999 by Dov Moran and his team at M Systems in Israel. Before that, we had CDs and DVDs. I've got a full video about those on my channel. But a USB could fit in your pocket and store hundreds of times more data. The hard drive story started much earlier, 1956 at IBM. Invented by Reynold Johnson. The first one was the size of a fridge and held just 5 megabytes. Today, you can buy portable drives with terabytes of space. The big benefit of USBs and hard drives was convenience. They were portable, letting you carry your whole digital life in a pocket. They were reusable, allowing files to be erased and rewritten thousands of times. They were also fast, no more waiting like with CDs. Just drag, drop, and go. And best of all, their capacity grew rapidly, from a few megabytes to terabytes, keeping up with our growing digital needs. But they weren't perfect. USBs became the fastest way to spread viruses and malware from one computer to another. Their small size also meant they were easy to lose or have stolen, sometimes with huge amounts of sensitive data inside. Hard drives, on the other hand, had a darker side too. Mechanical failures and crashes could wipe out years of precious files. And of course, every few years, new storage technologies replaced the old ones, making older drives harder to access. Life before them meant swapping stacks of disks. Life with them: plug, save, and carry your world anywhere. Want to see what came before USBs and hard drives? Check out my video on CDs and DVDs, and even my earlier one on floppy disks. Tell me in the comments, what was the first thing you saved on a USB or hard drive? That's all for today. Thank you for watching. And please like and follow for more tech history videos.